Oleg Berezin! Yeah! This is going to do the next gen with a boost. His name is Rhine Turner. This is Rhine Turner. This is number 61. His name was Boost. And to see. It's a boost. It's check out. There's a flat tire. That's a flat tire. YouTube. I see purple and violet. It's violet. I see purple and boost. Violet. It's lavender. Let's see. It's what it's a boost. It's the next gen. This is number 61. It's in purple. How much the tickets to the Rhine Turner? This is number 61. This is the number of James Queen Air. Here they don't see you. This is a nameplate. I was the back of it. This is next gen. As the can't be bluer. Let's try again. This one. It's not Rots. Boost. That was a Metropolis Boost. And then vitamin. Right. Number 61 on the side of it. Purple. And then black spoiler. The black wings. 61 is empty. I'm just going to be empty. 161 liters theory. Diesel fuel by N2O Cola. This name is Boost. This is rookie stripes. Here's the black and violet rusty next gen rusty Boost Rhine Turner. That's a change in comparisons. Jackson Storm. Kevin Dust Whale. Johnson Superannuation. Stan Rooster Wayodor. Stanley Ronslick. And Harry Timeland. And Miley Wooder. Let's see. Let's see what numbers I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 next gens. I can see it over there. Had a ride, Turner is saying very special guest we had. And very special guest we had. And a ride, Turner. Nice to see.